Hi guys, Dave's here. As you can see, I'm growing my beard out. This is No Shave November. Well, in a few days, it's going to be Veterans Day. And we need to, honor our veterans. If they have a veterans parade, go out and see them. You see a veteran, shake their hand. Thank them for their service. I mean, if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have a free country. So I wanted to make something this week in honor of the veterans. Although this is not my design, I'm going to take a piece of pine board that's 23.5 inches long, it's 11.25 inches wide, and I'm going to make a flag like my flag that I made up here, but with the word veteran on it. Because this is not my design, this is from a fellow CNC guy, and so if you want to stick around, stay tuned. Guys, here's the finished sign. I think it turned out great. Now, I did not design this one. I designed my I designed my flag here with We Stand, and I still believe that we need to stand, and we need to thank all veterans. So if you see a veteran, thank them for their service. I mean, if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have the free country that we have today. And as always, thanks for watching, guys, and God bless you, veterans.